Well, in today's Health Watch, we're talking about Herbal Viagra. Former NBA basketball great Lamar Odom, of course, hospitalized last week after allegedly mixing cocaine and Herbal Viagra while at a brothel in Nevada. The athlete's hospitalization has raised many questions about the supplements, their safety, and the increased risk when mixed with drugs or alcohol. Joining us this morning is urologist and men's health expert Dr. Marc Richman from Obsidian Men's Healthcare, a practice in Tyson's Corner.
That is correct.
Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me. It's a privilege.
When you saw this story and you heard it was Herbal Viagra, what did you think?
I first thought it was unfortunate. We know that many of these products can be dangerous, and they're just easily available online or even at your grocery store. But it's something that we've been concerned about for years.
What exactly is Herbal Viagra?
Herbal Viagra is a term that's given to a group of products that are available on the market without a prescription that basically claim to enhance male sexual performance. But some of them actually do contain the active ingredient in Viagra or a chemically similar compound.
How could an expensive Viagra ingredient get into a supplement we could buy at the gas station or wherever?
That's a good question. Some of these drug manufacturers are just not reputable, and sometimes they work in other countries and these products are available online, and we don't know they're even in there until these products cause a problem. They get tested by the FDA, and then lo and behold, they contain Viagra-like drugs.
Okay, so let's talk about Herbal Viagra, the supplement. When taken alone in proper dosage, is it safe?
Again, the term Herbal Viagra doesn't necessarily mean you're getting a natural herbal product. There are some herbs out there that may be safe if they're used in proper dosages and concentrations, but the problem is these products are not regulated by the FDA, so they may contain the active ingredient in Viagra, which is available only by prescription, and patients are taking it unknowingly, and sometimes in concentrations that greatly exceed the recommended medical dose that we use clinically.
In this case, and it is a tragic case, but in this case, all the details are coming out now. People are trying to cover their backs, I guess, at the business level at the brothel. But we do know that Lamar Odom mixed this with street drugs or illegal drugs. How dangerous is that combination?
It's always dangerous. In fact, the product that he was reportedly using was tested in 2013 by the FDA, and it was found to contain sildenafil, which is the active ingredient in Viagra. And that drug itself is dangerous to use even when it's properly prescribed by a physician when you mix it with drugs and alcohol, because all of those medications and substances can affect blood pressure pretty dramatically.
You know, even in the best of times, people try to self-medicate, or if I take 2 of these pills, maybe it'll make me feel better or what have you. We know in this extreme case, this was 72 hours. We know that this was a lot of all of, these supplements or drugs or what have you. Are you surprised that he is still with us right now?
I'm happy that he's still with us. He's obviously a professional athlete, and that probably helps him, considering, what effects some of these drugs and these drugs in combination may have had in his body. But sometimes the results are not so good. Just recently, a study by the New England Journal of Medicine showed that about 23,000 patients visit the emergency room every year because of these over-the-counter dietary supplements, and sometimes the results can be fatal.
So the best advice coming from a medical expert like yourself?
If you have sexual problems, you should take that seriously, and you should get evaluated by a physician and have an appropriate diagnostic workup and hear about the treatment options, which may include Viagra. These over-the-counter herbal Viagras or natural Viagras really should be avoided because we just don't know what's in them, and they're just not safe.
Dr. Marc Richman with Obsidian Men's Health in Tyson's Corner practice. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
And hopefully we help somebody out there. Maureen, over to you.